In aerospace and defense, quality isn't optional, but traditional inspection slows everything down. Manual checks, part movement, and disconnected data introduce delays, cost, and risk. There's a better way. Hexagon has got you covered. By embedding inspection directly into production, from machining to final assembly at every stage, manufacturers can now measure large structures in place or check complex parts autonomously, even overnight. With Hexagon's automated in-process inspection solutions, you can drop your inspection costs by up to 75%, while reducing rework and avoiding downstream assembly issues. The result? Faster, higher quality, and more optimized processes, ensuring every part is right first time. Reimagine productivity with unmatched quality.